Strange noise in woods. So for some background info, me and a couple buddies went fishing. We hit a couple spots that we haven't been before, and we didn't catch anything. So we went out to our typical spot, and it's basically in the middle of nowhere. It's a small creek that connects to the Kentucky River, and we're out there for about an hour. Nothing weird going on and no sense of fear. Then suddenly we hear this screeching noise. And no, not like someone yelling in the distance. Imagine a giant mosquito. And I thought there was just a bug near me. But then my buddy sitting in the car 40 feet away also heard it. So whatever it was loud enough to cover that sort of distance. A few seconds later, a weird almost banging noise like something big and metal falling. And for instance, we are in the middle of absolute. But F*CK nowhere, so I'm just super tripped out. We instantly realized we needed to leave. I've been trying to find a story that relates to this, but no one seems to have heard a noise like that I could find. This was around 12 at night.